Mine or yours?
Mine. That's what he told me. I'm like, this is the poo. Of an uncle. Please stop.
It looks more red on this camera. Your hair. It seriously does. Your hair looks really red. Does mine look red?
Hers is dyed.
I know it.
And yours is too.
I know mine is. You can totally see my roots. Oh.
Mine's natural.
Natural. That was really weird. Okay. We're going to the store with her sister now, so yeah.
And we play our favorite songs and we scream out all night long like ooh, oh, when it's just me and my girls.
Doggy. I can't even see anything because the freaking thing is in the way. Hi. This is Shaylee's dog. She's crazy. Whoa.
Paula, stop. Stop.
Down. Here, you take this. I can't hold it.
Because I'm doing my hair? Yeah. Because that's so much better.
Hi. Hi.
Feel it, I want it.
Her dog is very crazy. Yeah, yeah. Can you take this now?
You know, I'm showing my dog. Marla, stop it. Let's go.
No. No, I can't.
Hey, Jessie. Hey, Jessie. What you doing? Ooh. What you doing?
Eating Subway.
I was going to say eating Starbucks. You don't want a Starbucks, anybody.
We go to a gas station, which is so yummy. I got good food.
It was like coffee. Actually, I've seen coffee, by the way. Coffee with creamer be sucks. Food! A cool camera shot that everybody has, you know.
I got you. Yeah, so they just have a bunch of like syrups and stuff. So good. And coffee creamer. So I put root beer and then I put some French vanilla syrup and then French vanilla creamer. So good. So good. So good. Yeah. And I got
too much YouTube.
an Italian BMT, which is like the best ever.
Shaylee had to be.
Shaylee got meatball mania.
What did you got? What did you get?
What did you get?
Oh, are you on with you?
I
got a chicken bacon ranch sandwich.
You got a what?
A chicken bacon ranch sandwich.
Chicken bacon ranch.
Why am I always recorded in your videos?
Because you
I don't
were.
want you to be part of a vlog.
Did you guys post these?
What?
Not yet.
What? Post what?
All these videos?
You posted one, but you want me.
Okay.
We're still working on the other three that we still have to post. So, you know, because it's that late.
Right? Where am I in you?
Yeah, probably.
Not ones I've edited. You have ones that are unedited.
I'm trying this on. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Just give it my studies.
Look what we got.
Back like she loves some.
Well, show him.
Wet it.
Woo! Put it on the window of the car.
Because she both of us. And my sister.
That's so cool.
Not like you. I love you so. I put to go right there, obviously.
What?
I'm going to go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
So we put it on the window somehow. Okay. Put it like that on the window. And put it in it. Ooh. Yeah. Wait, where's your phone? Can you see it? Kind of. I'm holding it on the thingy. That's so cool! Yeah, we're just doing stuff for for Shaylee's sister's wedding. I'm cutting those out over here. We're gonna put something like twine or something through that and like do a whole like thing of them. So that's cool. So yeah, I could totally just like stick this like right there on the computer, but I'm not going to do that because then the sticky thing will be all wasted. So I'll be like in the middle. You don't have to give it all away. I love this so much. Except I'm never gonna be right here until you can drive.
Until I can drive, and then we'll be like driving
You haven't gotten your permit yet.
I don't even have my permit yet.
Your birthday was like 2 months ago.
Oh.
Well, that was actually last month. But...
I'd have to get it 6 months before my birthday so I can get my driver's license. And I have to get it before I start driving home.
Yeah.
I can't ever reach the gas pedal.
Don't push it.
Oh yeah.
Even if it's off, it scares me. Like pushing the gas pedal.
I'm pushing it.
Even just like when it's off, it still scares me. Even pushing on the brakes too.
I'm so scared to drive.
Don't let the
What the vlog is?
So dumb. You're like, we have to vlog this. It's already on.
I just want me to do that.
Well, now you want to do it so that you can see right behind you.
I can! But if you're right there, then I won't be able to see you.
With my
But
bun.
go sit right there. Wait. I'm not joking, go sit right there.
I can't open the door. Well,
Just climb back there. Hey, nice butt. Bottom! Yeah, I can't see it because I
I
can.
can see you.
Wait, is this we over there? Yeah, it would be easy if you were right there.
Can it still? I think you can still see me.
Oh.
And you can see behind you with the mirrors. Okay, I'm coming back up.
I'm so excited!
It's so hot in here.
Okay, let's go inside. Oh, this is so hot!
Hey, I need my shoes.
Get your shoes. I'll let you out. Because you know that's how we go.
Shoulders. It's been a long day and there's still work to do. Just pulling that piece.
Are you having fun? Are you having fun?
Yeah. Wait, no. The phone.
Please.
Yeah, I can't get out on the inside.
Please.
It's broken.
I broke it. Me and Kyla broke it. It was a team effort.
Oh, it's so hot out here.
It is. Let's go back inside. Would we be filming like what?
We be filming.
How long have we been in this room?
We came in here at like 8.
We've been here for like an hour editing for the video.
Okay. Go to. It's right there.
I know it is. Gmail.
This is all like messy. Don't look at the background. It's my dad's stuff.
Download.
Yeah.
Da 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 da. Give me some travel.
It's tenor.
What?
It's not trouble.
Okay. Do I get it? Love, love, love. And I what?
We're both like.
Look like out of it right now. Walk section. I want to talk to them. I want to talk to them. Can we talk to them? Why can't we go and see them? I'll talk to hear them.
Wait, they're us.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Look at that. What happened to the cow that jumped over the barbed wire fence? Utter destruction. So that was funny.
You thought it was funny.
Yes, I did. That's why I laughed. What is the resemblance between a green apple and a red apple? They're both red except for the green one. What is Whitney Houston's favorite type of coordination? And I
Will always love you. Ooh.
can barely see anything. It's so dark in here. It's so dark.
I don't think I could
What
see
do you call a black man who flies a plane?
I don't know.
A pilot, you racist.
Ha 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 ha. I can't draw for
Sorry, I just found like a bunch of funny, clean jokes on Pinterest. I'm gonna pin it to. Where is it? I have lots of boards. Ha 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 ha.
New exciting videos coming up.
Yeah,
Shaylee,
you can't see anything. And I will always love you.
How do you make a piece of cake look like an actual piece of cake? Like, how do you draw it? Like, I want to draw my kid's birthday card. I'm going to draw my birthday card.
Apple cider vinegar will remove moles, warts, and skin tags.
Whoa. What do you want to watch, Jess?
I love Pinterest so much. Oh, I was actually looking for.
Camp Rock, Ramonian Beezus, Ice Princess, Arcadius Judge. Jess.
Camp Rock. DIY 4th
I don't even know what if it's in here.
of July. Boom.
What are you doing?
Expect to see some of this in the next video. All these colors, because nothing's loading. There we go. Expect to see some of any of these things.
What do you want to watch Princess Diary 2?
I don't care. Yep, because we're going to make a 4th of July DIY video. We'll have to do it really, really soon. This is probably going to go up after it comes out because we still have lots of vlogs to put up.
Is it a movie or something? We have like 5 vlogs to put up.
Yeah,
There's only
there's
like 2.
lots of vlogs. But,
There's
so
only,
yeah.
There's only 2.
And we forgot to say bye in one of them. I forgot which one. I think we forgot to say bye in like 2 of them. Hello.
We did? I made an intro.
Yeah.
Peace out, people.
Shaylee made an intro, so that was good.
It looks good too.
Yeah. You can't see me. I don't look good right now because you can't see me. But I have my apple bottom jeans. Just kidding. So, we're gonna go. I can see you now. Okay, we're gonna go now. Because Shaylee's gonna go. Shut up! Because Shaylee's gonna go to sleep.
I just was yawning in the last 5 minutes.
And I'm probably just gonna keep looking for ideas
Guess what?
for what to do. I don't know what you just said. So, keep calm and dream on.
Remember to smile.
Bye!